Folks, how you doing today? So we just got this 1926 Caille penny gumball vendor machine in, and what we had to do is we just serviced and detailed it. It had been restored sometime in the past. Somebody did a really good job, so service and detail is all we needed to do. We got lucky on this one. Very nice condition. This machine will take penny, nickel, dime, or quarter, okay? That's the way that they made these. Now, as I've showed you before, the award is in the award card, okay? It is actually in the fortune. You know, here it says 2, that pays you 2 coins. This pays you 4 coins, 4 coins, 8 coins, 12 coins, 16 coins, 16 coins, 20 coins. So they put the award payout in the fortune. It's really a very cool way and a clever disguise what the payout is. So I'm gonna give this a play for you here. We'll start with penny, okay? So we got our penny. This is simply for display. This is the gum that vends. Boom, gumball, penny. Now you'll also see that here on the front is the penny I played. Let me play a nickel. That's the nickel I played. Once again, I can get a gumball, okay? Now in the back, what happens is that here is the knockoff button. So once you played your denomination, if you won, the barkeep would come around and pay you your award, then he would twist the knob, and there goes the coin. You go back to play. So you could literally sit here and play this all day long, and you only had to call him over when you won. He would twist the knob and play it off. Now the last coin, now I'm putting in a quarter. Quarter drops here, last coin played. Now I put in a dime. Here's your dime, last coin played, okay? So, and every time you could get a gumball. This is all cast iron, okay? Basically the interior of it is a cast iron machine. It's built in the 20s. There's your knockoff button once again. Here's your back door. This as well has the original cash box in it, okay? As you see, it's in very, very nice condition. It's been refinished. It's super, super nice. Come on, baby. This is where you put your gumballs in. That's how you load the gumballs. And then up in here, there's a little latch you move out of the way, and it opens up the top of it, which I will do that and show you in the still pictures. So it's been nickel plated. It's in very nice condition. 1926 Caille penny gumball vendor. Works great. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, original cash box. Everything is nice. Original reel tapes, original award card. Very, very nice machine. Once again, this is just a display as it's supposed to be. This is the portion which vends the gumballs. So if you'd like it, as well as it's got a manufacturer's tag here, we'll get you a shot of that in the close-ups as well. It's ready to go if you'd like it. If you buy it before noon, Monday through Friday, Mr. Walker will have it out that day. Always, we don't list anything unless it's ready to ship. And we do restoration, so if you had anything you'd like us to take a look at, send us some photos, we'll get you a price. We got shipping worldwide, certainly nationwide. So let us know, we're good at everything, and thank you for watching. What do you think, Mr. Walker?
I think it's ready to go.
That's what I think.
What I like about this unit is the fact that it does take all the different coins, penny, nickel, dime, and quarter, did you say?
Yeah, penny through quarter.
Yeah, so it's not like you have to have one denomination around. Everybody can play it and have a good time. So if you're into slot machines or trade stimulators or even a unique gumball vendor, this is for you.